fantastic information, right from growing to processing to harvesting, marketing, and the negotiation was also one of the key highlights which we went throughout the course. I come from Vietnam, so the agriculture there is slightly different. The most important thing that I learned is how agriculture is done on this side of the world, and when I go back with the pictures and the information and the stories, how these people have made a very successful industry, I think there is a lot more I can transfer from this part of the world to how agriculture is done in Vietnam and in particular in Asia. It was exciting to have going back to the classroom and doing the case study analysis, which is a very good method to look at companies in the different parts and different phases. And we had fantastic teachers over there who took us for an entire day through different case studies, which was mostly based on team participation. We were made in different groups and we made small presentations. So it was very informative. Yeah. Definitely, I would say that anybody who wants to learn or have more information about the nuts industry as a whole, even though he may be coming from one side or one part of the business, it's really worth to attend this course because they can get a full perspective of the business.